Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for car and bike reviews. If you love powerful machines and legendary rides, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a classic reborn, the 2026 Dodge Ram D100, a vintage pickup truck making a grand return with modern technology and old-school charm. The Dodge Ram D100 was an icon of American muscle and utility in the 1960s and 70s. It was tough, reliable, and had that unmistakable rugged design that truck lovers admired. Fast forward to 2026, and Dodge is bringing back this legend with a blend of classic aesthetics and futuristic engineering. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Ram D100 pays homage to its roots with a bold yet nostalgic design. The signature boxy shape remains intact, but now with sleek LED headlights and a refreshed front grille that gives it a modern touch. Chrome bumpers, retro badging, and a two-tone paint option remind us of its vintage heritage. It's the perfect mix of old-school styling and new-age innovation. Under the hood, Dodge isn't holding back. The D100 is expected to feature multiple engine options, including a 5.7L Hemi V8 for those who crave raw power and a hybrid-assisted 3.6L V6 for efficiency without compromising performance. Rumors even suggest an all-electric variant, making it a true competitor in the modern pickup market. With an estimated 450 horsepower and exceptional towing capacity, the D100 is built for work and play. Step inside, and the blend of past and future continues. The interior combines vintage-inspired elements with cutting-edge technology. A retro-style dashboard meets a massive touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Uconnect interface. Premium leather seats, real wood trims, and classic toggle switches bring back the charm of the original D100, while digital displays and smart connectivity ensure it meets today's standards. When it comes to driving dynamics, Dodge engineers have fine-tuned the suspension for a smooth yet rugged ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road trails, the D100 promises stability and comfort. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make this classic reborn truck as safe as it is stylish. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Dodge Ram D100 is its exclusivity. Dodge is reportedly planning a limited production run, making this a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts. The pricing is expected to start around $50,000, but with demand expected to be high, don't be surprised if it sells out fast. The return of the Ram D100 is more than just a new release, it's a revival of American automotive history. It brings back the essence of a classic pickup while embracing the technology and performance of the modern era. Whether you're a vintage truck lover or a fan of cutting-edge engineering, the 2026 Ram D100 is set to make a lasting impact. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting car and bike content. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next one.